Hi there, Alec O'Mara from Unitil here, coming to you from our Mobile Emergency Operations Center at Hampton Beach. We set our center up earlier today because we decided we wanted to make proactive inspections of all of our meters and regulators down here following the flooding that was seen just yesterday. We are inspecting approximately 3,000 meters today, and so far we have very good news from those inspections. At this point, we've only found about 50 meters that we've had to turn off and have repairs done before we can have them brought back on safely. We still have a couple of 100 inspections that we still want to do, so we're going to continue working into the night. And what we wanted to do was let you know that if you found a tag like this at your property, that means that we've turned off your gas service. We need to schedule repairs to get you back online. So if you see a tag like this, we need you to call 1-888-301-7700 so we can schedule those repairs and get you back on. We will have folks doing relights during the overnight hours, and we'll be continuing to work tomorrow as well. For more information, you keep an eye on our social media channels, or you can go to unitil.com. Thanks.